The Samsung Galaxy A15 is poised to receive the highly anticipated One UI 7 update, based on Android 15, bringing a host of improvements and features that elevate the user experience. This update introduces a refreshed interface with bolder, more vibrant icons and a cleaner design, making navigation more intuitive and visually appealing. One of the standout additions is the new Now bar, a feature reminiscent of Apple's Dynamic Island, which provides quick access to essential notifications, multitasking tools, and ongoing activities in a seamless manner. The camera app has also been revamped, with a reorganized layout for easier access to key features, enhancing usability for photography enthusiasts. Security has been taken to the next level with new tools like theft protection and auto-blocker, ensuring users' data and devices remain secure. Furthermore, performance optimizations and under-the-hood tweaks make the Galaxy A15 feel faster and more responsive, maximizing its hardware capabilities. These updates, combined with a polished software experience, ensure that One UI 7 transforms the Galaxy A15 into a more powerful and user-friendly device, reaffirming Samsung's commitment to delivering exceptional value in its mid-range lineup.